able to be our guest this program, during this program. Meron pa naman next time. There's
Yeah.
still next time.
Then I'll bring my towel next time.
I'll bring my English book.
Dictionary, thesaurus. So, anyway, next time, Mr. Rapper. Mr. Rapper yan, ang rapper yan, magaling yan.
Galing.
Magaling yung rapper. Antayin ko yan. I'll talk to you in Tagalog. So you talk to me in English, I'll talk to you in Tagalog.
You have to study Tagalog. Hindi, ang maganda dito, sir, meron siyang talagang yung tungkol sa organ donation. Hindi biro yan. Marami tayong malalaman. Kasi pag in case meron tayong kamag-anak na ganyan ang karamdaman, at least alam natin kung paano gagawin yung step. Yun ang mga yung mga nangangailangan ng organ, nangingimdap na lang. Oo.
No, yeah.
So pwedeng alternative yan para makawasan yung sa mga depressed area. Talagang meron nagre-recruit para, di ba, para ibenta nga ng mga,